Withdraw your cryptocurrency using Uphold. I want to do a video to show you how to do that. Very simple and very easy. This video was requested for a few people asking, how do you withdraw your cryptocurrency to your bank account? I'm going to do that really simple and really easy. If you don't have an Uphold account or even a Gemini account, click on the link below to get started with that. It's free to sign up, and then you get some free Bitcoin if you use Gemini. Absolutely. My name is Adam Shelton. Let's go ahead and dive into the content. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, when you get to Uphold, you want to go ahead and log in. So I'm going to go and log in, and I'll start from the very, very beginning. So if you're new to Uphold, or if you have an Uphold account, you do need to have an account with Uphold. Very simple, really easy. When you click on the link below, you'll sign up and then basically put your name, your email address, and things like that. Very simple to do that. Then you will log in. You'll go ahead and log in. And the next thing you want to go ahead and do is make sure your account is secured. So you want to go ahead and make sure your account is secured with the two-step verification. It's really easy. I will do that because that way you can use this on your mobile device. You can use this on mobile device. You can download the app by typing an Uphold in the App Store if you have an iPhone or if you have an Android. So I just wanted to show you that as well. Now, okay, withdraw crypto. So if I want to go ahead and withdraw crypto, you want to go to the right side, as it says here, that says anything to anything. I like this feature because it's basically you can almost do anything to anything here. You can buy cryptocurrency here, or you can sell cryptocurrency over in this station here. So if I want to sell my cryptocurrency, so if let's say I wanted to sell ZIL. So if I want to sell Zilliqa, and I want to sell this back to my bank account. Now we have 12,000 Zilliqa for this training session. This is a training account that I use, and 12,000 Zilliqa, and I'm looking to sell some of that back into my bank account. Now here's what you want to think about. First, you want to think about how much do you want to sell. So if I wanted to sell just 5,000 of the 12,000, I'll just type in 5,000. Because remember, I have 12,376, and you also can look at it right here as well. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is what type of currency you want to use in terms of making that transaction. So there's a bunch of currency in here. There's Euro, there's Hong Kong dollar. That's interesting, Hong Kong dollar. There's a lot of different currency. I like Uphold because it's international. It's just not local, it's international. So I'm going to use the US dollar for this example. Now, the next thing I want to do, I want to make sure my bank account is set up to receive the funds. So I'll click on this down arrow button and I'll click on banks. You see the banks here? Click on banks. Now I already have my bank account here, and it shows me the maximal that I can actually make the transaction for, receive, or even purchase, the daily limit. So if you're trying to do more than 10,000, I would suggest spreading it out on your daily count. You can contact Uphold, but they're probably going to recommend you use the daily limit measures. So 10,000. So I already have a bank account. Now, if I wanted to add a bank account, I can click on this little cross here, and I can add a different bank account, and I can start it with my bank currency. So if I have Canadian, Euro, Pound Sterling, I can use any of those, and I can go from there. If I say US dollar, let's say if I want to use another bank account, then I'll click on the currency, and it's actually setting me up with the bank account. And you can log into your bank account right here. So if I click on continue, it's going to show me what banks that actually Uphold and Plaid uses to do the transaction. And these are some of your banks that you probably heard of. You can actually type in search for one in there. So if I type in Bank of America, or if I just type in bank, this other one shows up. Look at that. There's a bunch of them shows up. So that's only if you do not have a bank account set up through Uphold. You can just do that simple and really easy. So we're going to go ahead and select the bank account that we already have. And look at this. It automatically populates what's going to be worth. So I sell 5,000 of my Zilliqa. It's going to be $804. That's going to go back into my bank account. And it actually shows here that $1 equals 6 Zilliqa. So Zilliqa really went up over the last couple of months. Now, the next thing you want to do is that if you just making this one transaction, it says learn more about how the pricing works. So you can click there to learn how more in depth of how the pricing works. And then you want to go ahead and do is when you look at this, click on preview withdrawal. When you preview withdrawal, it's going to give you a summary. Once again, it's telling you 5,000 of what you're selling of the actually assets is worth $101 because there are fees involved. There's about a couple of dollar fees involved, because if you think about it, if I go back, there's 104.04, and then it says this is going to be sent to the actual checking account because there is actually a small fee, and it's telling you 5 to 7 business days. I'm going to tell you right now that could be much sooner. That could be a lot sooner than 5 to 7 business days. It could be one day. I've had situations where I did a transaction and it was in my account within 24 hours. I'm just telling you, it's 24 hours. So, and that's usually on business days. So that does not count the weekends. I'm just talking about business days. And so the next thing you want to do is what we talked about before, is the 6-digit code generated by your authentication app. Use Google Authentication app. Use Google, download Google Authenticator app from your mobile device and follow the prompts. It's really simple, really easy. You want to tie this in to your Google Authentication app for security measures, and you can set that up over here where I was showing you earlier. Once you type in the code in here, it's going to go ahead and confirm your withdrawal. And that's it. That's how you withdraw crypto to your bank account. It's really simple, really easy. You can do it as many transactions as long as it's up to the 10,000, 10,000 maximum daily amount. And you can do multiple ones. You can actually do a repeat one. So let's say I wanted to do this 1,000 of it. So look, I can make it change just like this. Look at this. 1,000. It's going to automatically populate. I just got to click here. And if I want to do this every weekly, I can do this each weekly. And check this out. Weekly, I can do a transaction weekly every single, today is Tuesday. So every single Tuesday, I can do a transaction every weekly. I'm not sure you would want to do something like this, but this is something where if you just want to if you have 5,000 or something, or 12,000 or something, or 1,200 or something, maybe you do 100 a week, 100 a month, and that money comes to your bank account. So it's kind of like it's paying yourself. So that's actually pretty cool. You can set up an automatic payment transaction method of getting this sent to you on a weekly or even a daily basis. So you can take advantage of the repeat option in Uphold. I really like that as well, because sometimes you may want to set up measures up of when you want to sell, no matter what the price is or whatever like that. So that's how you do it. If I want to change a different asset, I can go ahead and do that really simple. Just by clicking on the down arrow button. And let's say I wanted to do a different one. Let's say if I want to do, Etherum, same thing. I will go back here and I can just say I only own one Ethereum on this test account. And I type in one Ethereum, and it just actually populates, and it tells me what that's worth, just one, and that's 1775. And if I don't want the repeat measures, I just go back to transactions or transact, and I can preview it just like I did before. I can preview this actually transaction, and it's very simple, really easy. Oh, one last thing I want to show you. I remember I was telling you about the learn more about how price works. Click there, and this is what happens. It goes right to here, and it goes all down to the Uphold pricing policies with cryptocurrency, fiat currencies, and more. There's more information that you read here, and it's really good, helpful. So you can submit your question if you have a request. You can submit a request, put a question in there if you have more questions about how the pricing works, or anything that resolve or relates to the actually pricing with this as well. So yes, this is how you withdraw your crypto right to your bank account. You can use this as an actually, a guide to like, okay, I own 32 cents of XLM. I can use this towards here, and you can actually go ahead and do this. I like Uphold. I've heard mixed reviews about Uphold, but it's really simple and really easy. You just got to take your time to use this actually really, really good platform and its exchange. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Open up your free Uphold account or your Gemini account by clicking on the links below. It's free to sign up, and go ahead and start getting your Bitcoin or your Ethereum or anything like that. Start investing in 2021 because it's the year to invest. It's the year to invest not only to asset but also to yourself. All right, I'll see you on the next video. I'll do more Uphold and Gemini videos to help you out on a daily and weekly basis. And I'm signing out. I'll see you guys on the next video.